everybody, I'm Alabama Boss. I'm about to put the redneck steam on some catfish with my new toy here. So our friends over at Can Cooker sent us this jewel right here. It's the Can Cooker Junior. It comes with a cookbook. It's got a bunch of different stuff in here. We picked out one of our favorites in there, which was a pan fish steamed with Mountain Dew. But we're gonna do it redneck style and go with catfish. Since it's so cold outside and I'm a very avid, professional, extreme outdoorsman, I used all of my resource power to come up with some catfish fillets, and I went noodling in my local grocery store seafood department and came up with these jewels. All right, this recipe is real simple. We're gonna take some salt and pepper, just sprinkle on all these. That's a lot of pepper. That's a lot of salt, because we want high blood pressure. And to top it off, we got some Creole seasoning we're gonna throw on top of here. Give it just a little kick. Bang! Okay, once you over season these catfish fillets or panfish, just dab them on top of each other. You're basically rubbing them like you do ribs and your old lady. Anytime I'm rubbing my meat, I like to start off nice and slow, working the grooves. Really dig in there. Make sure I don't miss a spot. Nice and slow, getting these grooves. There's a lot of places, you know, a lot of people don't want to put their fingers, but hey, you gotta get in there and put your fingers in there. All right, now that we got our fish seasoned up, ready to go, the next step is to go to the Can Cooker Junior. We're gonna take some non-stick spray and spray our little rack that comes with it. That way our fish don't stick. It's time to add it in there. Okay, all that's left now is to add butter and the steam fluid, which is Mountain Dew. But this thing comes with a nice little fold-out cutting board. Used it to cut the fish, and I'm gonna use it now to cut my little butter slices. We're gonna take a little slice of butter and put on each fillet. Our final ingredient is our steam fluid. Mountain Dew. Yeah, this right here is definitely looking like a redneck 5-course meal. We got butter, catfish, and Mountain Dew, all in the same pot. All right, all the prep's done. Now it's time to fire this baby up. We're gonna put the lid on, lock it down, and ignite. All right, we got everything going. What we'll do is we'll wait for it to start steaming. It's got this little hole right here. You'll see the steam come out, and we'll let it steam for 4 to 5 minutes, and we'll cut it off and let it sit. All right, our fish has been steaming in Mountain Dew for 5 minutes. We're gonna cut it off and let it sit a few minutes. It's time to see what the verdict is. You wanna get some oven mitts or something. I'm a man, so I'm gonna use a napkin. Woo. That is looking sweet. Now I'm gonna put a little oregano around this to make it look pretty. Fancy now. Let's see how we did. That's good. That's real good. I put a little too much Creole and black pepper. A little spicy. You don't need no tartar sauce. Got a little lemon lime caffeine flavor to it. It's good. It really is. It's good. Look at that. I don't need a fork. That's some good fish. All right, there you have it. That's Mountain Dew catfish fillets in the Can Cooker. Let us know in the comments below any recipes you want us to try with the can cooker, because we got a lot more coming. I'm Alabama Boss of Rated Red. Y'all have a good one.